Think stocks and bonds are enough for your retirement? Many miss out on how gold and silver can actually stabilize their savings over time. When people plan their retirement, they often focus on stocks and bonds, but that means missing out on the unique stability precious metals like gold and silver offer. According to the Welcome to Augusta guide, these metals tend to hold their value even when markets get volatile, acting as a reliable hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. This guide breaks down why adding physical gold and silver to your savings isn't just about diversification. It's about protecting your wealth in the long run. If you want to dive deeper, I've linked the full guide in the description. Augusta offers a free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide Bundle, 8 detailed PDFs designed to help you make informed decisions about precious metals investing. This Welcome to Augusta guide is just one part of the bundle, which also includes titles like Why Precious Metals, Gold and Silver IRA, and Company Integrity Checklist. Together, they give you a comprehensive look at how gold and silver fit into your retirement plan, from the basics to setup and pricing details. If you're new to investing in physical gold and silver, this free bundle is a great place to start. It's beginner friendly and packed with clear info that can help you move forward with confidence. Download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle now. The link's right below this video.